You're doing everything they told you. Posting faceless videos, using automation tools, uploading often. But no views, no subs, no money. And you're starting to wonder, did I pick the wrong niche? Hold on. The niche isn't the problem. But there's one part of your niche that probably is, and almost no one talks about it. Today, you will understand in a way no one else does. Not just the what, but the why. So you don't waste your time chasing a niche that can't grow. Part 1. Niche is the wrong question. Everyone talks about picking the right niche. AI niche, finance niche, luxury niche. But here's the truth. Niches don't make money. People do. You don't get paid for posting in a niche. You get paid when a real person watches your video, trusts you, and eventually takes action, like clicking a link or watching till the end. So if you're stuck asking, what's the best niche to make money? Flip the question. Instead ask, who am I helping? What do they need? And how does my video solve that? You're not just uploading videos, you're solving problems for buyers, even in faceless content. Part 2. Views mean nothing without strategy. A lot of new creators chase views like a dog chasing cars. You post something random, it gets 10K views, and you feel hyped. But then, no subscribers, no comments, and no money. That's not growth. That's noise. Let me break it down. If you get 1,000 views from 1,000 different types of people, that's like shouting into a crowd at a train station. No one cares. But if 1,000 views come from the same type of person, now you're building an audience. And that audience becomes a community. And a community? That's where the money is. So stop chasing views. Start chasing impact. Part 3. Start with the buyer, not the channel. Here's the shift that changed everything for me. I stopped asking, what's a hot niche? Instead, I asked, what group of people already buys something? Then I made content that helped that exact group. Example, there's a big difference between finance and people who want to retire early. One is a niche, the other is a specific buyer with a clear pain point. If you help them solve that problem, with tutorials, lists, comparisons, you earn their attention and trust. And when they trust you, that's when the real growth begins. So if your faceless channel isn't growing, don't just pick a niche. Pick a buyer with a real need, then build videos around them. It's not about uploading more. It's about uploading with purpose. And once you make that shift, you'll never worry about views again, because they'll come naturally.